Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the third position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually we did not receive any information, but trust me, we just successfully reset up preferences in this DOOGEE S80. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.